Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Vatsal Shah, founder and CEO of Litmus Automation. Litmus Automation is an enterprise middleware platform currently being used by a few of the largest projects in Internet of Things by car manufacturers, asset management, industrial automation. We connect many different type of devices, sensors, machine to enterprise applications so clients can wrap business services around it.
Excellent.
So we are a middleware platform.
Excellent. So take us through the presentation.
Perfect. Thank you very much everyone. So something about Litmus Automation, we are a young company. We are purely business-to-business middleware solution provider for Internet of Things. On one side, everybody's talking about Internet of Things, and there is a huge conferences going on now. But on one side, there are lots of devices you can connect, you can collect data from, or you can manage those devices. But nobody is actually earning money out of connecting bunch of devices to Internet. You only get revenue stream, or if you can only get some business sense out of the data when you pass that data to applications which can actually make sense out of the same data. The data can be passed to analytics solution, data can be passed to business services like CRM system, ERP, business process management, rules management, and that's where we got started. So what's the main problem that we are focused on is there are lots of devices available in the market. They speak many different type of protocols. There are many different standards. There are many different structures on the devices side. On the other side, the chaos is also there on the applications. Applications have many different requirements when they want to collect data coming out of these devices. Right now, if you want to develop one-to-one integration, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of money to, and also takes it's an inflexible architecture with lot of security loopholes. To solve this whole middleware platform piece, there comes our solution, Litmus Loop. Litmus Loop is again enterprise-grade security, very well-tested solution, which is faster in terms of deployment, faster in terms of performance. It's extremely secure, tested by few of the largest Fortune 500 companies on a production grade. Extremely scalable, connected millions of devices right of this moment. Low cost compared to a lot of middleware companies. And it's a whole IoT ecosystem. When you talk about this ecosystem, on one side, all these devices, we are actually purely B2B, so these might be your devices or your consumers' devices. On the other side, all these different application, and our platform has 3 different layers: connectivity, management, integration. Connect large number of devices to internet, manage all those devices. Once they are sending data, pass it to all these enterprise applications. And the ecosystem consists of lots of ready devices on one side. The devices go into sensor devices, mobile devices, gateway agents, or third-party cloud services. You name it, a lot of IoT devices are readily available. On the other side, a good amount of applications are already integrated right now. And when you want to, today when we are going to do the demo, it's based on ARM embedded devices, but we do have a large number of client libraries available across many different type of devices. On the management side, once these devices are connected, you would like to manage those devices like bootstrapping, registration, enable, disable, firmware over the air update. A lot of features are available right there in device management dashboard. And once they are sending information, there is a connectivity to the enterprise application. It's a zero configuration, zero line of coding. This device can be connected to Salesforce within 1 minute. Not only Salesforce, but a good amount of enterprise applications, because we have a streaming ETL engine in between and a good amount of workflows and everything are readily available. And on the security side, it's one of the standardized security architecture, a lot of different authentication, authorization, and transport layer securities in between. So let's do a quick demo about the platform itself. So you can this is the Litmus Loop platform. You can simply sign in, and you will see many different projects. What is one project? A group of devices is one project. So let's say this device is attached on a factory floor. Then your factory floor is the project. Let's go to factory floor. Inside this factory floor, you will see many different type of devices. There is a visualizer, connectivity. So we do not take device word very literally. A car can be one device, or packaging machine can be one device, boiler can be one device. And all these devices, they have a data streams inside them. Data streams are the sensors attached with those devices. Just to visualize that, like this is factory floor, all these different devices and sensors attached with this. And once they are sending information, go to enterprise marketplace, select the application where you want to pass data to. There are 19 plus applications. They are readily available depending on your permissions on the platform. Cassandra database, as per complex event processing, log management, and a lot of different things. So all of these things, once these devices are sending information, select the application, and all of the devices which are connected with as per, they will instantly start sending data to the specific application. And if you want to go and do the device management itself, a lot of NoSQL based functions are readily available. Simply go to devices and manage those devices. So this is the simple demonstration. To get started with the Litmus Loop platform, simply go to our GitHub account, download the code, and once it's downloaded, normally it is readily connected. So right now it is looking for Wi-Fi, and it is getting connected with. Inside this demonstration, we are going to connect with one of the databases from the enterprise integration. So this device is still waiting. Okay. Yeah. And once this device is connected, you will be able to visualize the device, and you will be able to get data coming out of that device right from here, like temperature sensor, and if it's attached with robotic sensor, a lot of different things. And now, the third part, business services or applications, simply go to the database. The database is based on Elasticsearch. This is the embed, and inside this, whatever details are available from the specific device, they will instantly get updated here, like accelerometer reading, temperature, joystick position, potentiometer position, a lot of different things which are being sent by this device. They are real time being processed by a database, and client can quickly wrap their business services around it. So what we just saw was connecting devices to internet. Once they are connecting, managing those devices, and pass it to enterprise applications like big data analytics solution, and all of them take place with a few lines of code inside devices. Everything on an application side, they are readily available or pre-integrated. And a simple use case around it is So this is a connected car use case, and it is currently being used by car manufacturer in real time. So when we talk about the whole platform, on one side, the cars, they contain this type of devices or this type of software agent inside. On the other side, you are passing data to many different business applications. So cars, they are sending information in a sensors, or they have many different type of data streams coming out of it. And on the other side, you want to create some business services like smart consumer application, or you want to wrap some business services like advertisement, or like parking or charging or other things. So these devices, they simply publish a lot of amount of information, and on the other side, you subscribe, or application subscribe to the data, and you can pass it to the business application in a near real time way, so they can quickly process the data, and in a near real time way, they can pass it to the consumer back, or other third party business services, or manufacturer itself. So to create use cases like this, it is really easy. Simply go to Litmus Loop, download the code, put it inside your hardware. If it's a hardware is customized, we provide a client library in C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, Lua, a lot of different languages. Download the same code, and go to enterprise marketplace, select the application you want to integrate, and it's available. Thank you. Any questions? Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I think it's a very good presentation, good stuff.
Thank you.
My only issue is that it's a little less universal than you may think.
Sorry?
It's less universal than you think. Let's take the car case.
Yeah.
suppose that I want the system to avoid collisions, car-to-car communication using DSRC. Do you think that you can rely on your system to build that?
So vehicle-to-vehicle communication is still under standardization process.
Well, but
Yeah,
assume
so-
it's done.
Yeah, sure.
Assume it's done. What my point is that it is not. It cannot go to the cloud.
It never goes like there is a philosophy that we consult all our clients that whenever there is a mission critical work, don't send it to the cloud.
Okay, perfect.
So-
I wanted to hear that.
Yes. So all of these things that we are talking about, it's for data ingestion purposes and analysis.
I fully understand that, and I said at the beginning, I
Yeah.
like it. It's good.
Thank you very much.